You are now watching the beginning of the production process of the famous Volkswagen Touareg. The Volkswagen Touareg is a mid-size luxury crossover SUV produced by Volkswagen since 2002. It shares platforms and architecture with premium SUVs from the Volkswagen Group, such as the Audi Q7, Bentley Bentayga, and Lamborghini Urus. The Touareg has been built exclusively at the Volkswagen Bratislava plant in Slovakia for its entire production life. Bratislava is a major global production hub that also builds models like the Audi Q7, Audi Q8, Porsche Cayenne, and others on shared platforms. This plant is unique in that it assembles vehicles from multiple premium brands under one roof. Over 1.2 million Touareg vehicles have been sold worldwide across all generations. The Bratislava plant produced its 500,000th Touareg in 2010 and its 1 millionth Touareg in 2019. The Touareg has gone through 3 generations. Production is expected to end in spring 2026, with the Touareg Final Edition marking the end of the current generation. In the body shop, steel panels are pressed and welded into body shells by a combination of automated robots and human workers. In the paint shop, vehicles go through a multi-stage painting process to ensure a durable and high-quality finish. On the assembly line, the powertrain, suspension, electronics, interior, and infotainment systems are installed. Many components are standardized across VW Group luxury SUVs due to shared platforms. During quality control, vehicles undergo thorough inspections, including alignment checks, torque verification of fasteners, and system diagnostics. In testing, finished vehicles often go through road simulation testing within the facility before being shipped to customers. The Touareg's MLB Evo platform is shared across sophisticated SUVs within the Volkswagen Group. This reduces development costs and allows high-tech features to trickle through multiple brands while maintaining distinct identities. A A hybrid version of the Touareg was introduced into series production in 2010 at the Bratislava plant, marking one of the early hybrid SUVs from Volkswagen. Volkswagen is phasing out the Touareg as part of a broader model lineup adjustment, focusing on electrification and more affordable SUVs. The Touareg won't have a direct successor, though some markets will continue to receive other SUVs from VW's portfolio. The Volkswagen Touareg, like many complex luxury SUVs, has had some recurring problems reported by owners and in recalls over its production history. Many Touaregs come with adaptive air suspension. Common issues include leaking air springs, compressor failures, and sagging or uneven ride height. Repairs can be costly, sometimes exceeding $1,500 per axle. Diesel engines, particularly the early V6 and V10 TDI models, can have issues such as turbocharger failures, exhaust gas recirculation valve problems, and diesel particulate filter clogging. Gasoline engines have occasionally experienced timing chain tensioner failures, which can cause engine misfires or unusual noise. Tiptronic and automatic gearboxes on some earlier Touareg models can experience harsh or delayed shifting, mechatronic unit failures, and fluid leaks. These problems are most common after high mileage. Many of these issues appear mostly in first and second generation Touaregs. Third generation Touareg has generally fewer problems due to improved electronics and manufacturing. Being a premium SUV with advanced systems, maintenance and repairs are more expensive than mainstream SUVs. The completed vehicles are shipped and delivered to customers in more than 148 countries around the world, reaching a truly global market. And this is what the production process of the Volkswagen Phaeton looked like. The Volkswagen Phaeton was a full-size luxury sedan produced by Volkswagen from 2002 to 2016. It was conceived as a flagship model intended to compete with premium sedans from Mercedes-Benz and BMW, showcasing Volkswagen's engineering capability and craftsmanship. The Phaeton was exclusively manufactured at Volkswagen's Transparent factory in Dresden, Germany. This facility was purpose-built for premium, low-volume production, with a unique glass wall designed to let visitors watch the assembly process live. Body shells were made and painted at the Zwickau factory and transported to Dresden for final assembly. Most engines were built at Volkswagen Group's engine plant in Győr, Hungary, with the exception of the W12 engine. Rather than typical mass production lines, the Transparent factory used a mixed assembly approach combining automation with hand craftsmanship for high precision and luxury standards. Vehicles were constructed on multiple vertical levels, and bodies moved via electric overhead conveyors. Skilled workers performed detailed interior installation and custom fit and finish work, contributing to the premium feel. Components and bodies were delivered through a separate logistics center, and Volkswagen even used electric-powered freight trams within Dresden to shuttle parts to and from the factory. Approximately 84,000 Phaetons were built in Dresden over the entire production run. The facility was initially planned for an annual capacity around 20,000 vehicles, but real production was much lower due to market demand. Over time, production volumes declined significantly, with some years producing fewer than 6,000 units, reflecting limited demand. Designed under Volkswagen leadership to demonstrate top-tier engineering, with features like advanced all-wheel drive, high-end chassis systems, and a range of powerful engines, including V8 and W12 options. Despite its engineering and luxury, Phaeton sales were modest, especially compared to rivals like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series.